Hi guys!
Hello.
This is the 6th and final part of our swap with Michaela. My bad, I said the parts wrong in the other 2 videos. I see what's in here. I've been really wanting to do one of these. I'm so excited. And it is a gold Digit. I'm so excited. You can get pyrite, obsidian, rainbow stone, or 1 in 24 boxes have real gold. Dump. I've watched enough of these on TikTok. I'm not going to scrape it. We're gonna cheat and pour water and let's see. That's good, that's good. Let's watch it soak up. There it goes. And squish. I can, oh, we literally got gold. Oh my God. Like I said, I've seen these before on TikTok. I know the gold is very small, but oh my gosh, look at it. I love it though. Thanks, Michaela, for everything.
Thank you. Bye.